Hi, it's Alfred again with some serious talk today. Let's get straight to it. Here are 6 core indicators of a real estate scam. 1. Too good to be true offers. If a property is priced significantly lower than similar properties in the area, it's a major red flag. Scammers will often lure in potential buyers with unrealistic deals. 2. High-pressure tactics. Legitimate sellers and agents will not pressure you into making a quick decision. Scammers will try to create a sense of urgency to cloud your judgment and rush you into a deal before you have time to do your due diligence. 3. Unwillingness to disclose information. A seller or agent who hesitates to answer your questions or provide key documents, such as titles, deeds, or inspection reports, is likely trying to hide something. Before we proceed, hit the subscribe and notification icons to get notified on more content like this. Let's move to number 4. Request for upfront fees. Legitimate sellers and agents will not ask for upfront fees, especially via wire transfer or other untraceable methods. Scammers may request deposits, application fees, or even taxes to be sent before you've even seen the property. 5. Wiring money. Never send money via wire transfer for a property you haven't seen in person and haven't had inspected by a qualified professional. 6. Seller wants to stay anonymous. Be wary of sellers who don't want to meet you in person or who hide behind a limited liability company with no clear ownership. Want to get it right with real estate? Do business with Sid Hamid's Brickfront Properties and Construction. We have been in business since 2001, and we do business with transparency and legitimacy. Now, in the comments below, let me know what your biggest fear is when it comes to buying a house. Have you ever encountered a sketchy situation? Share your thoughts, and maybe we can all learn from each other. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.